Every day, your brain makes thousands of micro decisions. What to post, what to wear, when to record, how to say it, whether today's the right day to even show up. And all that noise, it drains energy faster than failure ever could. We call it decision fatigue, but what it really means is you're using willpower to solve what should be a system. Because strategy doesn't start with what you do. It starts with what you decide once. Let me explain. I use something that I call the 3D rule. Decide once, design a system, delete the noise. Decide once, pick your rhythm, your platform, your content flow, and stop renegotiating every week. Every time you decide the same thing twice, you're burning focus you'll never get back. Then design a system. Systems are just pre-decisions. They protect your energy from the chaos of what should I do next? For example, maybe Mondays are for sharing something personal, a family moment, a morning routine, a glimpse into real life. Tuesdays could be about your product or offer, how it helps, why you love it. Wednesdays might be a value post or a tip from your niche. Thursdays, a behind the scenes of how you work or what you're learning. And Fridays, something light, like gratitude, weekend plans, or reflection. Once it's decided, your brain relaxes because there's no question mark left. And finally, delete the noise. Not everything deserves your attention, even if it looks productive. Delete the tabs, delete the advice, delete the 47 strategies that don't align with where you're going. Because clarity is never about doing more. It's about seeing what actually matters. Here's the thing. The women who move fast online aren't the ones with more time or tech. They're the ones who made fewer decisions. When you simplify the decision-making process, you create space for focus, creativity, and flow. You show up with calm certainty instead of constant chaos. So if you're feeling scattered, if you keep starting and stopping, if you're drowning in I shoulds, pause. Ask yourself, what have I already decided? What still needs a decision? And what can I delete? Because that's the real secret to consistency. Not more effort, but less noise. You don't need 100 right choices. You just need a few decisions you stop questioning.